CRNX is showing a modest amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend, up 14.8% in the session of today, rather pre-market session of today, the 26th of September 2025. Intraday high $42.38. Yeah, let's see now. Okay, before now, this is the underlying trend I meant. That is what I meant when I say it was showing a lot of showing a modest amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend. This is its 200-day moving average. It's sloping bearishly lower, so it's bearish. Okay, so the extrapolation for some reason probably knew what was going to happen today, saying that strength was going to remain in place up till Monday, the 6th of October, which includes today. Okay, so but this chart is not active. It hasn't really taken in what is going on right now. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. This is the daily chart. Let's get the news. Okay, so the company has indicated that the FDA approved its treatment for Acromegaly, a rare disorder that results in the body producing too much growth hormone. The drug called Palsonify is a once daily oral treatment, and the company expects it to be available in the US in early October. The approval is based on data from two phase 3 trials in which the drug was well tolerated and resulted in rapid and consistent biochemical control and symptom reduction. Okay, so acromegaly is a rare hormonal disorder that in adults causes the body tissues and bones to grow abnormally, particularly in hands, feet, and facial features due to an excess of growth hormone from the pituitary gland. Okay, so that's what's going on. Okay, so on this 4 hour chart, strength is expected. This momentum is expected to remain in place up till the close of today's trading session. Then we may have a slightly distributive contraction or slightly brief contraction, and then consolidation with I think a bearish bias. But after that, by Tuesday midday, Tuesday the 30th, it may resume and may get rejected as well. Then we may have a proper contraction. No guarantee that this will happen. This is extrapolating so many ahead, so many hours ahead. A lot can happen between now and then. But the interesting thing is that on the daily chart, the extrapolation was saying that it was going to continue, including today. It was going to continue to print higher prices. So, well, we know the extrapolation of on these extrapolations we use. They can be accurate. The accuracy over the next two data points is a lot more encouraging, a lot more impressive. Yeah. But anything beyond that, not really so. Not really so. Yeah. Okay. So projections is saying 38.06. It's a down projection. We have here 42.38, so we'll take that as well. Okay. Previously, did we have anything beyond, anything higher? Yeah, I think 44.61. Yeah, we did even have 44.61. This was as of the 10th of this month, and then for the 3.08, 40.59. So here, given the strength it is showing right now, the 10 and 21 period moving averages on this 4 hour chart are in strong trend modes, and their derivatives are also positive as well, indicating that not very much of selling pressure hasn't done any damage as such. They're still very much positive. Yeah, let's have a look and see what we can make of the 1 minute chart. We may find even higher prices, higher projections beyond 42.38. We've seen them already. We've seen 44, but that was not a fresh one. Let's see. It wasn't calculated recently, but if even at that, still very much relevant. So Yeah, we have another. Yeah, we have it again. Validation of that 44. We have it here 44.25 for the 3.75. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Okay, nothing like that. No projections to the upside. 3 minute chart. Let's see what we have. Okay, nothing beyond 42. We have 40.33, 40.60, 41.06. 5 minute chart, nothing. 40.3. Let's come down to the 10 minute chart. Here we have 37.73. Okay, 41.01. We've seen them already. Nothing beyond 30, 40, 40, what, 42.38. Yeah, we didn't check the projections here on the daily chart, even though it's not active. Okay, nothing. Yeah, but given that its underlying trend is sloping bearishly lower, you would have higher prices it's coming down from. So those higher prices are indeed upper projections as well. Those previous highs. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's going on in the with other books. Okay, it's people are waiting. I mean, placing orders. At least the market looks liquid, going by the fact that okay, well, I would say the aggression may have abated, so people are coming in, or rather, yeah, I think, yeah, I mean, they're there. The aggression doesn't really stop them. Well, it's aggression keeps them out from the action. Yeah, it keeps them out from the action, but they can still come in anyway. So, well, I don't know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not as aggressive as one would expect. Can see the price is pretty much stable. But yeah, the order has been up. Has that order has gone through. So it's indicating that aggression at least is not has abated. We have 41.25, 41.30. These are expectations for 5.63. Okay, that's ambitious. For the 3.41. Okay, I think liquidity is there as well because we can see passive traders or investors are also involved. It's not only the active traders that are involved, passive ones as well are there. We saw them. We saw their orders. You can see, yeah, this is not an. This is, I would say, passive as well. If it's, you can see this and that. They are not aggressive. Even this really not. Okay, here we have. Okay, quite aggressive, if not even passive. But anything that is right on the market is right on the price. Anything that's set right on the price, that's how aggression comes in. You want to buy at at the market price. I mean, it doesn't matter what the price is. So when you're doing that, then you become the center of attraction. You become the center of the market. Your orders will be dealt with first, and assuming you keep on sending these orders, you can see that as far as your orders are in the pipeline, as far as the orders and indeed all the other orders are market orders, then you will crowd out the market, and then you will also this will lead to diminished liquidity because the price or will be going up or down as such, you know um, once you be, because yeah, it will be drowning out, and then it will be drowning, you know lowering the liquidity, and then if it's going up, it will keep going up, and then until at a time when maybe short sellers or sellers that try to also take profit to cool it down and all that. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. It's somewhat liquid, yes, somewhat liquid. Aggression, not so much as well. Yeah. So have a look and see what you make of CRNX. And thank you very much for watching this video.